How well do you know your financial standing? This is the first step to achieving financial stability. It's crucial to understand the ins and outs of your income, expenses, debts, and savings. A thorough assessment will provide you with a clear snapshot of your financial health. It's like taking a financial selfie. It's about knowing how much you earn, how much you owe, how much you spend, and how much you save. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing where you stand is the first step to financial freedom. Now that you understand your financial position, what do you want to achieve with your money? It's time to set your financial goals. These could range from paying off your debt, saving for that dream vacation, or investing towards a comfortable retirement. Goals give your money a purpose and direction. They help you prioritize how to use your resources effectively. By setting and working towards your financial goals, you are taking the first step towards financial independence. Having clear financial goals paves the way for a stable financial future. With your goals set, it's time to create a budget. This is where you break down your income and expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. Each category should receive a portion of your income based on your needs and priorities. Think of it as directing your money where it needs to go. This helps you avoid overspending and ensures every dollar has a purpose. Remember, a budget is more than a spending limit, it's a spending plan. A well-structured budget is your roadmap to financial stability. A budget isn't effective if you don't track your spending. It's like sailing without a compass. You might find yourself lost in a sea of expenses. Tracking your spending is crucial to ensure budget compliance. It's not about nitpicking every penny, but rather gaining insight into where your money goes. You can use traditional methods like pen and paper, or opt for digital solutions like spreadsheets or budgeting apps. The choice is yours. Tracking your spending keeps you accountable and on the path to achieving your financial goals. Life is unpredictable, and so is your financial journey. Just as you review and adjust your plans in life, your budget needs that flexibility too. It's essential to periodically take a step back, assess your budget, and tweak it as necessary. Maybe your living expenses have increased, or perhaps you've paid off a debt. These changes should be reflected in your budget. Remember, your financial plan is not set in stone. Being adaptable is key to maintaining financial stability. With a flexible budget in place, it's time to prioritize. Consider the significance of allocating a portion of your income towards savings and debt repayment. Building an emergency fund is critical. It offers a safety net against unforeseen circumstances and helps you avoid falling into debt. Also, focus on eliminating high-interest debt. It's a silent killer that can erode your financial health over time. Remember, every dollar saved or used to reduce debt is a step towards financial freedom. Prioritizing savings and debt repayment builds a strong financial foundation. Now, let's look into the future. It's crucial to consider long-term financial goals such as retirement planning and investing. Early saving and investing allow you to reap the benefits of compound interest, which can significantly maximize your returns over time. These actions are not just about amassing wealth, but about ensuring you have financial security in the later stages of life. It's about creating a safety net for unforeseen circumstances and providing a comfortable life for your future self. Planning for the future ensures long-term financial stability. As your income grows, so might the temptation to spend more. This phenomenon, known as lifestyle inflation, can be a slippery slope. It's enticing to upgrade your life with every pay increase, but remember, more expenses mean less savings. The key is to live below your means. Don't let your lifestyle outpace your earnings. Instead, channel increased income towards your financial goals. Put it into savings, investments, or debt repayments. Resisting lifestyle inflation helps secure your financial future. Navigating the financial world can be complex, and there's no shame in seeking help. If you're puzzled about managing your finances or facing intricate financial matters, it's time to consider professional advice. Financial advisors or planners can provide tailor-made guidance designed around your unique situation. They can simplify complex concepts, help you make informed decisions, and even devise strategies to reach your financial goals. So don't hesitate to reach out to these experts when you need them. Professional advice can illuminate your path to financial stability. Lastly, maintaining financial stability requires discipline. It's like running a marathon, not a sprint. You've set your financial goals, created a budget, and now it's time to stick to it. Yes, there will be temptations to divert, or times when the going gets tough. But remember, the sweetest victories come from overcoming the most challenging hurdles. Keep your eyes on the prize and hold your course. Discipline and consistency are the keys to fulfilling your financial goals.